In 2021, I got these results using the NEWA radio frequency paired with the Myolift Mini and then the QT Plus. Since then, I have grown to love radio frequency technology and microcurrent. And if you are not new here, you know that. Both of those technologies are a great way to lift and tone the face. However, I have stopped using these devices because I have been testing and reviewing so many other skincare devices. So recently, I was curious if these two powerhouses could continue to maintain my previous results or show any type of improvements. I used these for 4 weeks, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how I use these devices, my before and afters. And if you are new to these technologies, I'm also going to give you a brief overview as far as what they do. Also stay tuned because we're giving this combination away, and I'm so excited that one viewer is going to be able to finally experience what it is that I have been talking about for almost 4 years. So that information will be at the end of the video. Let's get started. If you are new here, welcome. I discuss how to take care of the skin at home, and I did not even start my skincare routine until I was 47 years of age. I am now 52, and I do not get any injections or surgeries, and I'm trying to do everything at home with the latest and greatest technologies in skincare and beauty devices. I'm a lover of all of that. So if that is something that you are interested in knowing more about, please subscribe. I would love to have you. Let's talk about NEWA and what this device is. It is a radio frequency device that is supposed to help minimize fine lines and wrinkles, but it is most impressive in tightening sagging skin, as you can see from my results in 2021. This device uses 3D technology that many physicians and clinics worldwide use in their clinics. It is supposed to be one of the most clinically validated skin tightening technologies in the industry. Radio frequency is a type of technology that heats the dermis layer of the skin, and it causes enough stress that eventually over time will help to build collagen, which is what we want to keep our skin nice and taut. The Myolift QT Plus is a microcurrent device that helps also to minimize fine lines and wrinkles, but this is going to work at the muscle level in the face. It uses a low-level electrical current that creates electrical impulses to help to tighten muscles that are relaxed and to help regain strength for under-tightened muscles. Think of this as your weight training workout, okay? And then you're gonna be thinking of this as your cardio workout. So this is going to tighten the top layer of the skin, and this is going to tone the muscle. So that's gonna make that face appear more lifted and toned. If you have experience with any of these devices, let us know in the comment section below and your thoughts about them. I get this question all the time: will radio frequency melt the fat on my face? At home, radio frequency will not do that. However, if you go in office and use one of those more really high-powered professional devices, there's definitely a potential for that based on the experience of the physician that is going to be doing that. So at home, they're not power enough to do that, because if they did also, like I've been using them since 2020. So if they were going to do that, I would be the first one to show you that it does that, and it doesn't. So I use radio frequency every week since 2020. So trust me, you're going to be okay. Let's talk about how I use these devices. I use this combination 5 times a week for 4 weeks. I use the NEWA radio frequency on the cheeks and the jowls. So that's 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes, with a total of 16 minutes. And then I used the Myolift QT Plus all over the face and the neck. And I use their app-free mode, which is a 15-minute treatment. I absolutely love that treatment. Also, I get this question a lot: can I keep the gel from my radio frequency on if I'm going to use my microcurrent right after? You definitely can. So no fret. However, I do suggest using the NEWA radio frequency gel with the NEWA device. It's made specifically for that. And I just find that other gels don't perform as well with the NEWA radiofrequency device. It's 4 minutes on one zone. You do not want that gel to dry down at all. You want to make sure that you apply a lot of gel to the area to keep it hydrated, or else it's not going to be pretty. So just make sure that you keep a lot of that gel on. And if it is starting to dry down, keep some sort of like spray water. This is Avene thermal water to reignite that, and you're going to be fine. Then you can keep the gel on. And then what I did when I went on with the Myolift QT Plus treatment, I actually just added some, additional gel. I just went in with their Restore gel because I have a ton of this on the areas that didn't have gel. So you could use any other aloe gel, whatever you wanted. I love this gel. Also, another thing that I absolutely love for rehydration, if you didn't have like a thermal water, or if you wanted like a water that has some additional properties and ingredients that are hydrating, this is wonderful. This is from 70 Wellness as well. 70 Wellness also is the one that creates the Myolift devices. Okay. So this is called their Replenish. And I love this. This is if you are noticing that gel is starting to dry, you just spritz this on and it is going to like reignite that gel, and it's going to help to keep the face more moist during the treatment. I love the ingredients on here. It is filtered water, glycerin. It also has hyaluronic acid. This is beautiful, and I need to get more of this. I love it. Let's go ahead and discuss my before and afters, because I know that's what we all want to know. Photo disclaimer, I'm not a professional photographer, and I have come to find out that my bathroom actually is the best to really see like wrinkles and skin and all of that. And you're going to see two types of photos. I'm going to do the colored photos, and I also like to do a black and white. I like to share the black and white photo to get rid of any lighting. So we are strictly looking at the skin without any lighting enhancements. Also make note, I have lost about 8 pounds, which I'm really excited about, but it always shows up on my face first. So you might kind of notice that. So just keep that in mind. So what I want to see in my results and my expectations, remember I've been using radio frequency since 2020 with microcurrent. So almost 4 years now. I'm an avid user of both of these. And so I think my face is in pretty good shape for not getting any injections or surgery. That's my opinion. I'm happy with it. So what I would like to see is maintaining my results in this journey. Or of course, if there is any improvement, I would be very happy. My troubled areas for me are my mid-cheek lines as well as these sagging jowls. So let's get into the results. Okay, my before photo is after using the Myolift R2 device for 30 days. The after is the NEWA radiofrequency paired with the Myolift QT Plus. I feel like that you can notice that my skin just seems to be more tight throughout this lower area. I'd love to know your thoughts. Also, just to kind of point out a couple of things, my face definitely appears to be more long and chiseled around this area. And I know my face and how weight loss works, and I have lost 8 pounds. So I think that that's why you're seeing that. Let's look at my black and white photo, which I think that are a little bit more telling. So regarding the nasal labial folds, I feel like they have improved on both sides compared to my before photo. Also, I feel like this lower part seems to be more tight. Let me know your thoughts on that. My mid cheek lines, they don't seem to have improved. They have maintained their results, which I'm totally happy with. Radio frequency is not going to be able to get rid of those lines. So those are lines that I've had the entire time that I've been using radio frequency since 2020. But I feel like it has definitely maintained, which makes me very happy. If I stop using radio frequency even for a couple of weeks, these lines get very deep and more sagging. So I need to be on top of it. So also this eye area, I use the Myolift QT Plus, which is that microcurrent on this brow, which is going to help to lift the eye area. And I feel like you can just see that it's not like these little lines here. Like it just seems to have a really I don't know, did a really good job at just lifting these, and I'm not getting like any of this sagginess here, which is really good. The inside of my eye area here, which is what I use the Myolift QT Plus with, seems to still maintain those results, which I'm really, happy about. So that is, I feel maybe even this line here, which is my biggest concern in these days, which is that 11 line, which is really deep. Feel like you can see that looks like it might be improving slightly. Another thing that I've noticed is this lip area. Let's talk about that. Now that is going to be from the Myolift QT Plus because I use it on this area. I feel like it's this particular, I don't even know what this is. It's so bizarre that I have this line here. Anyway, I feel like it's just a bit more like everything is cohesive. I don't even know the word to say. It's more smooth. There we go. Than this. That's what I'm noticing. It looks like these lines here might be improving subtly as well. So I'd love to know your thoughts. I am really happy with my results. And if you are looking for an effective combination, because I always get this, like what is the best? I think that these are beautiful. I get this all the time. Which radio frequency is the best? I can't really tell you what is best, but I can tell you that I love this combination. So if you are looking for an effective combination, I say look into these two. Also, they are really affordable. If you're going to get both of them during a sale with my discount, you could probably get both of these for about $450 to $480, which is really what one device is going for these days, depending on obviously the device. But I love that they are separate too, because this one, you can use this on targeted areas. So like, for example, if you wanted to use this just for your radio frequency, you could get this out and add on additional treatments without the radio frequency. For example, if I wanted to spend some extra time on those forehead lines, I could add in the Myolift QT Plus an additional couple of days a week. Honestly, you can use microcurrent up to almost 6 to 7 days a week. I always say take at least 1 day off a week to really give your face some time to just chill out and allow the magic to happen. So let's talk about how you can enter this giveaway. I just want to state that YouTube and Instagram have nothing to do with this giveaway. You can enter the giveaway from April 28th to May 5th, 2024. Please subscribe to my channel, NEWA Radio Frequency, as well as 7E Wellness, and click on the link in the description box, as well as I'm going to put it in the comments section, because that is where you are going to want to enter. And I will reach out to you at your email, and I will let you know through the results on a community post. I am so excited. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck. And if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a like. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you do not miss my upcoming videos. Until next time.